Hi there, this is Mike again with Jordan Tech Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to get items from the Commons into Canvas. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that you get into Canvas. And my first recommendation is to make sure that you import your items into the sandbox, so that way you can farm them out to whatever other tiles you need. So that's what we're going to do. We will open up the sandbox. And then what you can do is come over here to import from Commons. And then when it comes up, just search for what you need. You can do it by the content name, like math, science, whatever. You can do it if you know somebody has some good stuff, you can put in their name. So I have something from my other class. I'll just use an example. I'll just go type my name in. Okay, and you can see I've got a couple of things in here, but I'm going to choose this photo and video 1, 2. So I'm going to click that, and then what I'll do is I will import download and then choose my sandbox. Choose that one, and then what I can do is I can import this into the course. Okay, and so then once it's imported, then you can see it says you've successfully started it. Then what I would need to do is come back to the dashboard and then go to my sandbox. And then what will happen is that when I go to assignments, okay, it'll show up in assignments, but it'll take a little bit, and it'll come in as imported assignments, and then I'll show up down here. And what you can do is it usually takes maybe 15 or 20 minutes. Actually, it looks like part of it's coming in already. So you can see quizzes, and it'll show up in its specific category that it was imported in. And then it looks like it's still importing these other areas. Let's see if it's already in here. Yep. So you can see classwork. So all my stuff is now in there. Then what you can do is you just come over to something that you might want. So I have classwork here. Let's say I want to take my 5 photographs warm up and send it to another class. Then what I can do is I can just go copy to, and then choose whatever course I want. I can go photo, video, like this year's content. I can go, if I wanted it for my teacher A class, I could send it there. So you just send it to the right spot, and you can do it either by the assignment, so individual assignments, or you can send the entire module. Let's see, I believe you can. Maybe, let me see up here. It looks like you can send the individual assignments, but right now I think what you can do is transfer these to modules and send the modules to another course. Okay, so the process is go to the dashboard. Then what you want to do is go to your sandbox, and then import to the sandbox, and then from the sandbox, that's when you're going to be able to send things out to other classes. Okay, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me.